The price of one Dogecoin, Doge, coin right now is $0.0817665. It has lost 0.96% in the past 24 hours. The price of Doge ended higher than it started 47.36% of the time. The most one Doge has ever been worth in our base is $0.6904872. That was 2 years and 9 months ago, and the price is now minus 88.16% lower than that high point. Out of 17 technical indicators, 10 say to buy and 4 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction opinion is bullish. The first big uptrend resistance for Doge is at $0.0869953. It needs to close above that level in order to keep going up. The bottom support for the trend is at $0.0786122. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.0786122. What if it can close above $0.0869953, though? It could go up to the next level of support at $0.0929026. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is now at 66.48, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 38.58, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Exponential moving averages show a strong sign on the daily chart. EMAs for 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 days have all been crossed above by the price of Dogecoin. 4 times out of 11 times in the past, the price of Doge on the last day of February was higher than the starting price. 7 times out of 11 times, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. In each of the last 12 years, December has been the best month for Dogecoin. 6 times as much Doge was worth at the end of December as it was at the beginning of the month. June is the worst month because the price at the end of the month is 8 times less than the price at the beginning of the month. For more information, look at monthly results. Dogecoin had 3 bull runs. The first one happened in January 2014, and the price hit $0.0023350 soon after 470. After 96 days, the price fell to its lowest point at $0.0000890. Before the next bull run, it took about 4 years, since January 2014, to hit a new all-time high. There have been 1,012 days since the last bull run in May 2021. Our Dogecoin price estimate says that the price of Doge could reach $0.0877864 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $0.2820848 in 2025 and $0.5250214 in 2030. Taking all of these past highs and shorter-term predictions into account, the estimate for 2040 is $1.59. It is thought that the price of Dogecoin will be $0.2820848 in 2025. That's the highest price we think Doge will go to, and the lowest price we think it will go to is $0.2152724.